Welcome back. If you're using Instagram on your PC and you're tired of getting those constant posts suggested to you notifications, you're definitely not alone. These suggestions can quickly clutter your notifications and distract you from the content you actually care about. The good news is, Instagram has made it pretty simple to turn them off with the latest update. Let's walk through how to mute these notifications step by step. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open up more options. From there, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings, where you can customize different parts of your Instagram experience. Next, click on Notifications. This is where Instagram lets you control what alerts you receive and what you don't. Inside the Notifications section, find and click on Push Notifications. This is the area that controls real-time alerts sent to your device. Now scroll through the options until you see posts suggested to you. Once you find it, simply select Off, and that